Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to talk about if you can sell profitably after you got your Facebook customer feedback score, below 2, so it's not still disabled like below 1, so you are getting that higher CPM and if it's really a problem. But first, thank you for watching my videos, and if you are still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell button. And also, if you have some ideas about some future videos, because I'm uploading every day and I'm always looking for some ideas, then definitely comment below. Low customer feedback score. What is it? Well, if you are e-commerce and you are selling a lot of stuff and basically your customers are not happy when they received order or they didn't receive order, and basically based on that, if they received it like fast or they didn't receive it, the customer score is going down. If quality of products that you are selling is like good or bad, that also change that customer feedback score. And well, if you are misleading people or scamming them, so if you are promising some features that are not really true, if you are selling some promises and then you cannot deliver, that's also like pushing customer feedback score down. And of course, like customer support, if you are not talking with your people or you are not like nice on them, hold that customer support package. If it's not good, that also like will decrease your customer feedback score. And if you are having problems with one of these like specific parts of that customer feedback, then basically your feedback score will drop below like 2. If you are, and I think, to be honest, if you are getting like lower customer feedback score these days when Facebook is like super strict, then you should not be like sad about it. You should be like happy that it didn't like went below 1, because like so many people lose their businesses, their ad accounts, they are getting restricted advertising access on their profiles, when this happen, so if you are still like running like a little bit below 2, you should be like, we should be like happy, and then start thinking about how you can increase it back. Does it really matters? What Facebook says is that when you drops below like 2.0, your CPM will be like higher, so your ads will be more expensive and you will reach like less people. Maybe your CPM is a little bit higher, but does it really make any difference to your ads, because there are lot more other like variables, that could increase or decrease your CPM than just like this rule, that lower customer feedback score. Basically, like, to me personally, nobody's still proven that it's like a big thing. Everybody is like always using it in like conversations, and trying to tell you in like different groups, like, yeah, like, should I start over again and do this, because it's like below 2, so now it's like more expensive. But personally, like, I spent like millions of dollars on Facebook from like October 2019 till like January 2020. I was running with customer feedback score with like one store. It was like 1.5, to like 1.8, and for like 3 or 4 months. And I was getting like better results with same product than I was getting when my score was like those previous months, above, like that 2.0. So I don't really, and with like same ads. So how is it even possible? Like, I don't really think it's that customer feedback score. If it's like low, it's really a problem. I think it's like a scarecrow. I don't think it's a big problem. Like, that real, like, gateway to Facebook circle of hell starts like below the 1.0 with your customer feedback score. Like, if you will hit that, then you should be like scared, and like think like, oh, like, that's like sucks, because now starts problem, because then you are like in the game, and you need to like get out of that circle of hell. If you are like running between like the 1 and 2, you are like fine. You don't need to like stress about changing those like pages, like creating new domains and whatever, because like, I mean, it's also like not like a smart move, to basically do that. Because first, if you are having that penalty like below that 2.0, and you will try to create new page, like new domain, and try to escape that Facebook system, then that's really like a big problem if they will hit you, so basically you will get from a moment where you had no problems at all, to situation where you broke rules, and basically if they will find out you just broke circumventing policy systems, you know, like that. That's kind of like huge, because if you will do it, you will get like you will get like a huge flag, you know. It will first, they can flag your ad account, and then you will get also like flagged your personal profile, and you will get advertising access restricted. So you need to like think about your priorities, right? So I would definitely not risk my promotion just if my customer feedback score went below like 2, you know. But in that penalty, I swear you can sell, you know, profitably. You can even like increase your profit, you know, and it will not matter, you know. If you have good ads, good product, and you will just like, or we will even change ads, you will have like new videos, you will launch that, you know, you will immediately can get like over like some nice ROAS, you know, even better than you were before. So it's more about testing of those other things, you know, than really like be scared from lower customer feedback, because that itself, it's just like not really like that important, you know. It's like some super small penalty that you might not even see if you are like running with like some good things, you know, like good ad and good product. Think twice about that next step, you know, because if you are reading like a lot of different like groups, you know, like Facebook groups, and people are like panicking there, I don't think you should like really like trust them, you know, because most people, when they are like saying like, oh yeah, I have like below 2, you know, I will immediately like change my website and try a domain, that's where basically those problems will start, you know. So if you will do this move, then you are like really like breaking Facebook policy, and you are putting yourself in situation where you might get flagged because of the circumventing systems. So if you have that score like below 2, just like it's fine, you know, then think why it's that, you know. Is it really because your product quality went down a little bit, or your delivery went down a little bit, or I don't know, like customer support sucks? But like try to think about that and help these like 3 things, you know, and not really like try to escape that and like cheat it, because well, they will catch you, you know. Like it's like connected on like so many levels that if you are not really like good with this, and you don't know all these triggers, then they will really like find out, and then you will stop, you know, like, and then you will have a problems, you know, and you will wish, you know, to stay in that situation where you had just that little bit like lower customer feedback score, because there you had at least promotion, and well, in that other situation where they will catch you, then you will have nothing, and you will need to do like hardcore restart, you know. You will need to like really like recreate everything, create new business managers, create new ad accounts. Then you will have that limitation, you know. If you also verified your business before and you got flagged, there is possibility that your whole business now is flagged because you are verified, you know, with different business manager. So then all these problems will like jump at you, you know. So if you can just stay calm, you know, and just keep going running your promotion, that feedback score will go up, you know, if it was like some short-term problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you still didn't join Adforation, my free Facebook mastermind group, definitely do it. First, you will have direct connection to me, so we can talk. And also like that group is starting now, and it's growing like fast, you know. I'm like surprised. So it's also like full of people who spend millions of dollars every month on Facebook, who are running like really like huge volumes with their e-commerce stores. So if you'll join now, you are basically joining in like best time, because the group is just growing. So definitely join Adforation today. And also, if you got flagged, or you want to get out of that Facebook circle of hell because you are constantly getting flagged, you know, with your ad account, or you already like lost some Facebook profiles, you know, with like restricted access, definitely download my free ebook. It's Ultimate Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. You know, I wrote it after like all these flags that I got, and I will help you there, you know, to get out of that Facebook circle of hell. So definitely download my free ebook as well. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you tomorrow with next one. Bye.